I always stop by the Tobin James Cellars. And right there on Union Road in the 46, you'll find the bright yellow house and the Tobin James Cellars. We're going to take you on a little tour and show you some of the sights and sounds here.
Oh wait, not blue eye, blue cats. Cat lizard. Yeah, it's just a small town. There's actually a local right here.
Well, the Tobin James Cellars is a little bit of Willie Nelson and Reno all put together. And come on in and have a good time when you're coming to Paso Robles or when you're headed out of town. Now we'll take you on a little photo tour and show the place off to you. And remember to stop in and say hello and say you saw it on YouTube.